Most people don't realize how serious a missed credit card payment can get until it's too late. And here's the truth no one tells you. It doesn't just affect your bill. It affects your financial identity for years. In this video, you'll understand exactly what happens if you don't pay your credit card in 2026, how fast things escalate, and how to avoid long-term damage even if you are already behind. Let's get straight into it. The moment you miss your credit card payment, the first thing that happens is a late fee. In countries like India or the US, this can be a fixed penalty plus interest starting to build immediately. So if someone like Alex in Mumbai misses a 5,000 rupee bill, it doesn't stay 5,000 for long. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people think one missed payment is not a big deal. That is wrong. Because banks start tracking your behavior from day one of delay. Now the next stage is penalty interest. This is where things get expensive quickly. Credit cards already have high interest rates, and once you miss a payment, those charges start stacking daily. So even a small unpaid amount can grow much faster than expected. But here's the problem. The financial cost is not even the worst part. The biggest damage happens to your credit score. Once your payment is overdue by 30 days, it gets reported to credit bureaus. That means your credit score starts dropping. And if it crosses 60 or 90 days, the impact becomes even more severe. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lower credit score doesn't just affect credit cards. It can affect personal loans, home loans, car loans, and even rental approvals in some cases. So something that starts as a missed bill can affect your entire financial future. If the payment still doesn't happen, banks may temporarily block your card. After a longer period, they can even classify the account as delinquent and send it to collections or recovery teams. This is where pressure increases significantly. But there is one more thing most people don't realize. Even after you pay everything later, the negative record can stay on your credit report for years. That means lenders will still see your past behavior. So what should you do if you ever miss a payment? The first step is to pay it as soon as possible. Even a partial payment is better than ignoring it. Then contact your bank and request a waiver of late fees if it's your first time. Many banks do consider it. So to wrap it up, missing a credit card payment is not just a small mistake. It triggers fees, interest, credit score damage, and long-term financial consequences. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Always prioritize credit card payments before anything else. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your country for more specific guides, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that actually help you avoid costly mistakes.